Hello, this is just an overview of how to use Google Drive and how we will use it to collect and organize your website content. So we've shared with you a drive that will look something like this. It will have website copy and content. And inside of this are some documents as well as another folder for images. So this client images folder is where you can upload images that you find either downloaded from a stock photo website like Shutterstock or a free stock photo website like Pixabay or Unsplash, or from your own personal source of photography. So logos as well can go here. This will all go into this client images folder. To upload to this, you can click the New button and then File Upload. That will allow you to upload your images to this Google Drive. Once we have those, we will edit them, format them, optimize them for the web, and put them here, so you'll have access to those as well. And then in terms of the copy, the words, the content, we have provided you with Google Docs that we've started for each of your pages of your website based on the wireframe and the sitemap. So there should be a blank home page that would look something like this based on what we have for your wireframe. When you're using Google Docs, you will have your login will show that you're up here logged in, and you want to make sure that you're logged in if you're going to be working on this live. You may prefer to work on this in Microsoft Word, in which case you can download this document this way, download as Microsoft Word, do your editing, and then upload it just like showed you with the images over here with File Upload. So once you've filled in all of your content here, and if you're logged in, you can do this live, which allows us to then review the editing, the history of the document. So I like to use the Google Docs. Once you have filled that in, something like this might be what you have. So you've filled in your tagline, call to action, your intro text, maybe some boxes for services, testimonials, that type of thing, what you want in your footer. Once you've filled that in, you don't have to save it or anything. If you've done it on this live document where you're logged in, it will automatically be accessible to us from this Google Drive. We've also created sub-pages besides the home page here, which have not only the main sub-page, but also sub-pages to that. So for example, you probably have something like an about page, and we suggest some intro copy, a place for you to put some body copy, and then maybe you would indicate to us if there are things that this will link to. So for example, linking to the team page from the about page, and then on the team page itself here, what your intro copy would be, and then you would indicate we're going to have links to each person's bio, and then here would be the page for your team pages and the content that goes with each. So you can make these as separate documents if you like, or you can just make new pages or just outline it like this, and we can certainly pick it up that way. Again, you don't have to save it if you've done it live. If you're in this, if you're logged in, and you see all of this up here, you should not have to save it. We will automatically have access to it. Once the content is approved, we like to title it with approved so we know that this is done. And then that will show in the drive so we can see which content is already approved to be loaded into the site. So I hope that makes sense. Thank you so much for watching this, and let us know if you have any questions.